Think you've seen it all? Get ready to meet the planet's most unbelievable animals, creatures that break all the rules of nature. Starting with one fierce bullet-punching shrimp. With vibrant colors and an intense punch that can break aquarium glass, it's one of the ocean's most intimidating creatures. In the thick jungles of Madagascar, the eye prowls the night. With its eerie, elongated finger, this nocturnal primate taps on trees, listening for hollow sounds. Once it finds insects hiding within, it uses that long finger to fish them out. Venturing into the dense Amazon, we find the glass frog. Almost entirely transparent, you can see its internal organs through its skin. This adaptation allows it to camouflage with leaves, blending seamlessly into its environment. A true marvel of nature's creativity. On the sandy dunes of the Namib Desert, the Namib Desert beetle has a unique way of getting water. It collects droplets on its shell from the morning mist, then tilts its body to let the water trickle into its mouth. In one of the driest places on Earth, it has adapted perfectly to survive. Deep in the Pacific Ocean lives the vampire squid. This creature glows in the dark, thanks to bioluminescent organs. But its name is deceiving. It doesn't suck blood. Instead, it scavenges organic material floating in the water, making it a gentle, eerie ghost of the ocean depths. In Australia, we encounter the platypus, a creature so unusual that early scientists thought it was a hoax. With a duck-like bill, webbed feet, and the ability to sense electric fields, the platypus defies classification and is one of nature's most unique mammals. High in the Andes, the Andean condor soars with the largest wingspan of any land bird, reaching over 10 feet. This massive bird can glide for hours without flapping, relying on air currents in the mountains to stay airborne. It's a symbol of power and elegance in South America. The peacock spider is tiny, but don't let its size fool you. With vibrant colors and a fascinating courtship dance, it's like nature's miniature performer. Journeying to Japan, we find the Japanese giant salamander. This giant amphibian can reach up to 5 feet long and lives for decades, lurking in rivers and streams. It's a living relic, practically unchanged since the time of the dinosaurs. In the forests of China, the golden snub-nosed monkey stands out with its bright, golden fur and blue face. Living in groups, these monkeys huddle together in winter, showing the power of family bonds for survival in freezing temperatures. Down in New Zealand, the kiwi is a bird unlike any other. Flightless, with tiny wings and a long, sensitive beak, it hunts for food by smell, a rare trait among birds. Its uniqueness makes it a national symbol of resilience. Our next stop takes us to the Arctic, where the narwhal swims through icy waters. Often called the unicorn of the sea, its long spiral tusk is actually an enlarged tooth used for sensing changes in its environment. The pangolin, found in Asia and Africa, is covered in scales and rolls into a ball when threatened. Sadly, it's also one of the most trafficked animals in the world, making conservation efforts vital to its survival. In the murky depths of the swamps, the axolotl stands out. Unlike most amphibians, it can regenerate its limbs and even parts of its heart and brain. Scientists are fascinated by its healing abilities, offering insights into regenerative medicine. The slow loris may look adorable, but it's one of the few venomous mammals. A gland in its elbow produces venom, which it licks to deliver a toxic bite. This strange adaptation helps it defend against predators. In the rainforests of Central America, the red-eyed tree frog relies on its bright red eyes to startle predators. With a sudden burst of color, it confuses attackers, giving it a chance to escape. Its vibrant hues and clever tactics are perfect for survival. The marine iguana, unique to the Galapagos Islands, can dive into the ocean to feed on algae. It's the only lizard that forages in the sea, making it a symbol of adaptation in one of the world's most diverse ecosystems. Known as the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis doherni has the unique ability to reverse its life cycle, essentially living forever unless killed by disease or predators. This remarkable creature could hold the key to understanding aging. In the scorching sands of the Sahara, the fennec fox survives with large ears that release heat and keen hearing to detect prey underground. It's a true desert survivor, adapted to one of the harshest climates on Earth. Moving to the wetlands of South America, the capybara is the world's largest rodent. It's social, often surrounded by groups, and even shares its habitat with birds, showcasing a harmonious existence with other species. The naked mole rat lives underground and has an extraordinary resistance to pain and cancer. This unique adaptation allows it to thrive in its subterranean environment, showing the power of resilience. The leafy sea dragon, a close relative of the seahorse, is camouflaged to look like seaweed, blending seamlessly into its underwater world. This delicate creature is a master of disguise, virtually invisible among the ocean plants. On the island of Madagascar, the fossa is a cat-like predator with remarkable agility. It can climb and leap through trees to hunt its prey, showcasing speed and strength in one compact form. The electric eel generates powerful electric shocks to hunt and defend itself. This shocking ability can even stun larger predators, making it a formidable resident of South America's rivers. With a face that appears almost human, the proboscis monkey of Borneo is famous for its large nose. This unique trait plays a role in attracting mates, making it one of the strangest animals on Earth. The bumblebee bat is the world's smallest mammal, weighing less than a penny. Despite its size, it's a skilled hunter of insects and navigates with precision, showing that size isn't everything. Known for its elegant dance, the bird of paradise performs elaborate routines to attract a mate. Its unique feathers and charming displays are some of the most captivating sights in nature. The star-nosed mole has a nose covered with 22 tiny pink tentacles, each one highly sensitive to touch. This adaptation allows it to hunt for food quickly, even in total darkness. Finally, we end with the Goliath frog, the largest frog in the world. Found in Cameroon, it can grow over a foot long and has powerful legs for jumping. Despite its size, it's a delicate creature, facing threats from habitat loss.